Managing contracts can be complicated. Spreadsheets, emails, and deadlines scattered across different systems. What if you could bring it all together, every contract, every approval, and every document in one simple app? Introducing the Contract Lifecycle Management app, built in Microsoft Power Apps and designed to make contract creation, tracking, and approval fast, transparent, and easy for everyone. From the landing screen, you can quickly access the contract dashboard, create a new contract request, or view all contracts with advanced filtering options. Your organization's logo in the top left always brings you back to the landing screen. 4 cards provide key insights: total contracts, active contracts not yet closed out, pending reviews, and contracts expiring within 60 days. Clicking any card takes you directly to the contract screen where you can filter contracts by these same criteria. On the contract screen, you'll find the total contract count, a refresh icon, a visual of the contract lifecycle, and additional features. Use the radio buttons to filter contracts by lifecycle phase. Each contract row shows full details, including once a contract request has garnered reviews, approval, and rejection data. You can edit a contract or view associated documents, tasks, and approvals. At the bottom, users can create new contract requests. And even though we can now see the Approve Deny button in this demo, a user who is not a designated approver will not see this button. This prevents unauthorized access to the approval process. By choosing more filters at the top, we get more filters. But let's first filter our contracts by the radio control for lifecycle stages. For the more filter fields, you can type information such as the contract name, assigned contract number, or the auto-generated contract ID from when the entry was first created. From the contract screen, click a contract to see its details, related documents, approval history, and any assigned tasks. If you're a designated approver, you'll also see buttons to approve or deny or assign a task. Users who are not designated approvers will not see the approve, deny, or assign task buttons. However, users can view their uploaded documents and upload additional documents if need be. Here is what approvers see when they choose to approve or deny a contract request. Simply complete the form and save the information. When complete, you will be automatically directed to upload related documents for that contract. At this point in the demonstration, we won't upload a related document, but we'll cancel so you can see that just completed second legal review is now part of the contract record. Back to the contract screen. We've already looked at the approve deny feature, so we'll create a new contract request. Again, keep in mind that the non-approver will not see the approve deny button. Simply fill out the form with your contract details. The system randomly selects a contract approver. Here's a brief demo of that feature. When you navigate to the form, the approver shows Anthony Brown. If you choose to cancel, then return, the approver changes to Daniel Robinson. And even with a third return, the approver shows Rachel Smith. This helps ensure a fair distribution of approvals. Back to completing a request. Notice that the Submit button is disabled until all fields are completed. Also, a summary of your request populates on the right side of the screen as an email to the approver. You and the approver will receive a copy of the email in your inbox. You'll also notice that there are dependent drop-downs on this form, meaning if a particular choice is selected, another field appears. After submission, you're navigated to the Submit Document screen where the contract name is pre-filled. You can upload up to 5 supporting documents. Like the previous screen, you have a summary of your entry on the right side of the screen. Once uploaded, the system confirms success and automatically returns you to the landing screen. That's a quick look at the Contract Lifecycle Management app, built to make contract creation, tracking, and approvals faster, more transparent, and easier for everyone. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.